Tonight I'm going to be making a bird table, pretty much out of offcuts and sort of bits of wood I've had lying about the workshop. I thought I'd just have a clear out because it's just getting just packed from bits of stuff from previous jobs because I'm quite a hoarder. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I don't know whether you saw the table I made. There's pictures of it on my Instagram. That was the other night. So yeah, just going for the rusticy vibe, sort of palette woody type sort of stuff. Yeah. So I've just got a length of 2x3, and pretty much what I'm doing to make it look a bit fancier rather than just a bit of 2x3. I'm putting these pieces, so cutting pieces to go diagonally all the way down, and then same on the other side, and then that'll just go sort of over the top. So there'll be a piece either side there, so it just makes it look a bit different, really. Right, I've done all the pieces both sides now. There and there. I cut the end off, so I've just to cut that end off straight now, and then put the pieces up the side to make it square then, because it's not quite square at the moment, so when it gets to two pieces either side it'll be square. And one bird table leg. I'm just putting the sides to the main piece on now. I've done the feet now, so the next thing is the top. I'm making a top now, so well, the base of the platform. So 2 of them either side, and then planks across the top and a nice bit round it, and yeah, that's it. Now the top's on, and well, the 2 sides, so I've just them 2 sides to do, and then I've still to decide what I'm doing in, you know, roof sort of bits. Yeah, I think it's looking a bit numb, but be right. I've put the table on now, so yeah, looking sort of like a bird table, and then I'm sort of mocking up the roof, so I'm trying to work out how to sort of do that and make it look okay. You reckon 3 just like that?
Yep.
And tune in after the break once I've sharpened my pencil. That's the top on now, so that is actually watertight as well, so yeah, happy days. So this is it, the finished article. Pretty much just scrap wood that I've had lying about the workshop. So basically, if you go wrong, you're just wasting scrap wood really, which was going to be firewood anyway. So yeah, it's anybody, you know, even if you don't have major joinery skills, just give it a go. It's yeah.